Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the thrilling world of car mods that can transform your everyday ride into a jaw-dropping supercar. Now, we all know that not everyone can afford a Lamborghini or a Ferrari, but that doesn't mean you can't give your trusty sedan a makeover that'll turn heads and drop jaws. In this video, we'll explore 5 fantastic mods that will have you feeling like you just rolled off the showroom floor of a luxury car dealership. First up, we'll talk about body kits that can give your car that sleek, aerodynamic look, because who doesn't want to feel like they're slicing through the air like a hot knife through butter? Next, we'll discuss performance exhaust systems that not only sound amazing but also make your car feel like it's got a turbocharged heart. We'll also cover wheel upgrades that can make your ride look like it's ready for the racetrack, along with suspension tweaks that will have you hugging those curves like a pro. And let's not forget about interior mods that can make you feel like you're sitting in a luxury cockpit. So buckle up, because we're about to take your car from zero to supercar in no time. Mod number 1. Sporty body kits. Let's kick things off with one of the most eye-catching modifications you can make, sporty body kits. These kits can dramatically change the appearance of your car, transforming it from a humble commuter into a head-turning masterpiece. Imagine your everyday sedan sporting aggressive lines and a sleek profile that screams performance. That's the magic of body kits. There are several types of body kits available, each offering a unique visual impact. You've got front bumpers that enhance aerodynamics, side skirts that lower the profile, and rear diffusers that add that sporty flair. Some kits even come with spoilers that make your car look like it's ready to take off, literally. Popular body kits like the Liberty Walk or Rocket Bunny are perfect examples of designs that mimic supercar aesthetics. These kits are known for their bold, wide body designs that give your car a more muscular stance, making it look like it belongs on a racetrack rather than the grocery store parking lot. However, it's crucial to choose a body kit that fits your car's style. A kit that clashes with your vehicle's original design can look out of place and may even hurt its resale value. So, pick wisely and get ready to turn some heads. Mod number 2. Eye-catching wheels. Now, let's roll into our second mod, eye-catching wheels. Upgrading your wheels can significantly enhance your car's overall look, giving it that supercar vibe you've always dreamed of. Think about it, your wheels are like the shoes of your car. Just as a great pair of kicks can elevate an outfit, the right wheels can transform your ride from ordinary to extraordinary. When it comes to achieving that coveted supercar aesthetic, wheel size, design, and finish are key factors. Larger wheels can fill out the wheel wells and create a more aggressive stance, while unique designs, like multi-spoke or concave shapes, add a touch of flair. And let's not forget about the finish. Glossy black, matte, or even chrome can make a bold statement, so choose a finish that complements your car's color and style. Brands like HRE, Forgeline, and Vossen offer stylish options that can take your car's appearance to the next level. But it's not just about looks, the right wheels can also improve performance. Lightweight wheels can enhance handling and acceleration, making your car feel more responsive on the road. So, if you want to elevate both style and performance, investing in eye-catching wheels is a must. Mod number 3. Aggressive lighting. Let's brighten things up with our third mod, aggressive lighting. Custom lighting can have a profound impact on your car's appearance, giving it a modern and dynamic look that sets it apart from the crowd. Imagine cruising down the street with LED headlights that not only illuminate the road ahead but also make your car look like it just rolled off a futuristic movie set. One of the biggest benefits of upgrading to LED headlights is their brightness and efficiency. They provide clearer visibility at night, making your driving experience safer while also enhancing your car's aesthetic appeal. Pair that with underglow kits, and you've got a recipe for a show-stopping look. These colorful lights can create a stunning visual effect, especially at night, making your car the star of any car meet or late-night drive. However, while modifying your lighting can elevate your ride style, safety should always be a priority. Ensure that any lighting modifications comply with local regulations to avoid fines or safety hazards. For instance, overly bright or improperly aimed headlights can blind other drivers, and certain colors for underglow may not be street legal. So, while you're lighting up the night, remember to keep it safe and stylish. Mod number 4, performance exhaust systems. Now, let's rev up our engines with mod number 4, performance exhaust systems. Upgrading your exhaust system is one of the best ways to enhance both the sound and aesthetics of your car. Imagine the thrill of hearing a deep, throaty roar every time you hit the gas. This is what a performance exhaust can deliver. It transforms your ride from a quiet commuter to a beastly machine that commands attention on the road. A performance exhaust not only gives your car a sportier sound but also improves airflow, which can lead to better engine performance. You'll feel the difference in acceleration as your car breathes easier and runs more efficiently. Plus, who doesn't love the sound of a powerful engine? It's like music to any car enthusiast's ears. But let's not forget about the visual upgrades. Performance exhaust systems often come with stylish tips and finishes that add flair to your vehicle's rear end. Whether you prefer polished stainless steel or a matte black finish, the right exhaust tip can elevate your car's look and make it stand out even more. So, with a performance exhaust system, you're not just enhancing sound, you're also boosting aesthetics and performance. It's a win-win for anyone looking to transform their ride into something truly special. Mod number 5, Custom Paint Jobs. To wrap up our list, let's dive into mod number 5, Custom Paint Jobs. The transformative power of a unique paint job can turn your car into a true work of art. A fresh coat of paint isn't just about color, it's about expressing your personality and making a statement on the road. There are various paint techniques to consider, each offering its own flair. Matte finishes provide a sleek, understated look that screams sophistication, while metallic paints add a shimmering effect that catches the light beautifully. Then there are pearlescent finishes, which change color depending on the angle of the light, perfect for those who want their car to have a little extra magic. When it comes to color schemes, think bold. Popular choices that evoke supercar vibes include vibrant reds, deep blues, and striking yellows. You can even go for two-tone designs or racing stripes to really stand out. But the best part about custom paint jobs is the opportunity for creativity and personalization. Whether you want a classic look or something completely out of the box, the sky's the limit. So, unleash your imagination and give your car a paint job that reflects who you are. After all, your ride should be as unique as you are. As we wrap up this exciting journey into the world of car modifications, let's quickly recap the 5 game-changing mods that can elevate your car's appearance and give it that supercar flair. We started with sporty body kits that transform your ride silhouette, followed by eye-catching wheels that enhance both style and performance. Then, we illuminated the importance of aggressive lighting, which adds a modern touch while improving visibility. Next, we revved up with performance exhaust systems that not only sound amazing but also boost your car's efficiency. Finally, we explored the transformative power of custom paint jobs, allowing you to express your unique personality on the road. Remember, the key to successful car modifications lies in your personal style and creativity. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and make your car truly yours. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. We love hearing from you, so drop your thoughts or any mod ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next video, where we'll continue to fuel your passion for all things automotive.